That I purchased this truck in the 8th of March 1984. So once I sat into that truck and turned on the key in it, I never looked back. I enjoy driving this more than driving my car. It's very comfortable. And there's a very good gearbox in this one. Also, you can see there now, look, it's very easy to change it, look. Just change it down and she's just gone back again, look, see? And you still have the same speed, like. And she still have the same oil pressure the day she came, number 4. She've 34 years of work done, never left us down or she always came back to base. Whether it was night or day, she always landed in here to this yard. There's another DAF truck, older than the lorry we're looking at here today in the world. We're only waiting for it to come up.